Eating less, Science and Spirituality Microscope 1. Scientific benefits of eating less. Aging and longevity. Caloric restriction, CR, is one of the most studied interventions in biogerontology. Experiments on mice, rats, dogs, and even monkeys show that eating less extends lifespan. Mechanism. Fewer calories equals less oxidative stress and DNA damage. Autophagy, Nobel Prize Yoshinori Ohsumi, 2016. Eating less stimulates cellular cleansing and repair, slowing aging and preventing disease. B. Protection against disease. Cardiovascular health. Lowers blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation markers. Diabetes type 2. Improves insulin sensitivity and reduces risk. Cancer. Lower glucose and insulin availability can suppress tumor growth. Neuroprotection. Fasting increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, protecting neurons. C. Digestion and energy. Rest for the gut. Overeating causes bloating, reflux, and gut issues. Moderation prevents this. Better nutrient absorption. The body uses nutrients more efficiently. Mental clarity. Many report feeling lighter and more focused when eating less. D. Weight and metabolism. Promotes a healthy weight. Slows metabolic aging by making cells more energy efficient. Intermittent fasting encourages fat burning and prevents obesity. Dove 2. Spiritual and religious perspectives. Ancient wisdom. Eat to live, do not live to eat. Latin proverb. Confucius. Moderation in food as a basis for harmony. B. Buddhism. Monks eat only in the morning and fast the rest of the day. Aim. Reduce attachment, discipline the mind, and sharpen awareness. A full stomach dulls the mind. Moderation keeps it sharp. C. Christianity. Fasting as humility, purification, and focus on God. Desert Fathers, 4th century, taught that overeating leads to spiritual laziness, while little food awakens the soul. Jesus. Man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word from the mouth of God. Matthew chapter 4 verse 4. D. Islam. Ramadan trains patience, gratitude, and self-control. Prophet Muhammad. Fill 1/3 of the stomach with food, 1/3 with water, and leave 1/3 empty. Moderation is seen as spiritual discipline. E. Hinduism. Upavasa, fasting, purifies the body and focuses the mind on the divine. Bhagavad Gita, 6:16-17, warns against both overeating and complete abstinence. Right-pointing arrow balance is key. F. Stoicism and Greek philosophy. Socrates. Simple eating keeps body and mind strong. Plato. Moderation as a cardinal virtue. Seneca. Excess makes man weak, moderation makes him powerful. G. Sufism and mysticism. Eating less is believed to open the heart to God. The key to knowledge is hunger. The key to hunger is silence. The key to silence is solitude. Sparkles 3. Quotes and wisdom. Hippocrates. Overeating is a disease, moderation is the cure. Leonardo da Vinci. A well-filled belly paralyzes the mind. Benjamin Franklin. Eat to live, live not to eat. Gandhi. Eating little is the greatest remedy. It brings health, calm, and purity. Hadith. The believer eats with 1 stomach, the unbeliever with 7. Seedling 4. Summary. Science. Eating less. Right-pointing arrow. Longer life, better health, sharper mind. Spirituality. Eating less. Right-pointing arrow. Purity, discipline, inner clarity, openness to the divine. Across both science and wisdom traditions, the message is the same. Right finger moderation not only prolongs life but also deepens the soul.